the 5-minute chart from this morning's price action. I'm just looking for a correlation between the NQ and the ES delta. So when both of these are in alignment, like right here, we've got negative delta on the NQ and the ES. I get the red candle print. It stays that way until we get both instruments in alignment going in the opposite direction. So right here, we've got positive delta on the NQ and the ES. We get the green candles. It continues until we get negative delta on both instruments. See, we came up right to VWAP here. VWAP held for about a half an hour. Definitely more negative delta than positive pouring in. Then check out this candle. Got a huge top wick with point of control in the wick. Get a nice drop off to pre-market low. Rejecting off of pre-market low to the tick right there. The flow stack is staying bearish. Get another little dip down. But check out all these point of controls popping down in these wicks. As soon as we get some positive delta across the board, get a nice push up towards VWAP again. And this is 11:40. I'm usually done trading around 10:30. But just looking for simple correlations between the delta on the NQ and the ES. Finding a lot of great trades on this 5-minute chart. Then I've got all my favorite key levels on the chart. Looking for different areas of support and resistance to take some of these trades off of. Or using these levels as potential targets. So here's the same chart setup as the 5-minute, but this is a 1-minute chart. And then for my secondary instrument of the ES, I've just changed the time frame to a 1-minute instead of a 5-minute. So now we're looking for a correlation between the NQ and the ES 1-minute charts. You can see right here before the market opened, we went positive on both instruments. Got a nice push to the upside. See some negative delta creeping in here on the NQ. Then we go bearish on both the NQ and the ES. Nice full body candle to the downside. Nice push lower. Got the red candles from the flow stack. We got point of control down at the bottom wicks here. The flow stack goes bullish here. Bullish on the NQ and the ES after the close of this candle. Pop up over 40 points. Big top wick rejecting off of the 20 SMA here. Got point of control peeking up into the wick. Not much delta to speak of. Here we go full bearish across the board. Nice big full body candle to the downside here. We do have point of control peeking into the wick here. We get some hold up right around S1 with some tick speed divergence here. Nice 50-point pop up off of S1 pivot. We come back down and break S1. Close below pre-market low. Decent delta on both the NQ and the ES. Drift a little bit lower, but you can see we got point of control down in these wicks. We've got some more tick speed divergence here. The flow stack went bullish here after the close of this candle. We did pop up over 22 points. Negative delta started coming in across the board here. Nice sized bearish candle body here with a pretty big top wick. Pretty strong delta on the NQ and the ES. Make another move lower. Get some more tick speed divergence and a tick speed collapse. Flow stack goes bullish. Nice pop up. Flow stack goes bearish. Nice pop down. Big old bottom wick here with the point of control down into the wick. Flow stack goes bullish. We start drifting to the upside here. Later on in the morning, got a polarity washout signal. Kind of a mixed bag on delta. Then the flow stack goes bearish right here. After the close of this candle, we pop down 40 points right to the 250 SMA. Also pre-market center. Flow stack goes bullish. Nice move up. Check out point of control up into the wicks. 20 SMA is holding. Flow stack goes bearish. Nice move to the downside. Tick speed collapse, tick speed divergence. We got point of control down into the wick. Wicking right off of pre-market low. Flow stack goes bullish here. We got positive delta on both instruments. Nice move back up to the 250 SMA. Here we've got both instruments going bearish. We get the color change on the flow stack. Another nice move down to pre-market low. So lots of different options with the flow stack. I'm just using the one signal condition of delta being both positive or both negative across the NQ and the ES. There's a lot of other different signal conditions you could add as well. On the 1-minute super scalper chart setup, this is the 1-minute chart that I was trading off of this morning. Had some great signals this morning. Got a fading histogram signal from the ultimate wave. Ultimate wave histogram starts dropping off. All this positive delta is disappearing. We start getting the pink candles, then bold red. We got a nice move down until we start getting a tick collapse and then some tick speed divergence. These two signals are from the MMT tick trader. See the histogram starts dropping off here. We get the light green candles pop back up into the golden ratio zone here. We go bearish on this candle, but check out this tiny little wave compared to the recent waves. Hardly anything to speak of. And then also look at this big bottom wick with point of control down on the wick. So the price action is bullish. The size of this wave is negligible. The delta wave turns bullish here. We get a nice close above the golden ratio zone. And after the close of this candle, pop up 60 points. On this candle, we're heading into the Fibonacci extension zone. And on this candle, we've got point of control right up at the tippy top of this little wick. Histogram starts dropping off. Got the light pink candles. We pull back into the golden ratio zone. And then later on in the morning, when we started ranging, we're getting fewer signals, but better quality. But it doesn't matter what kind of indicator, what kind of signal. I'm never trying to rely on one particular measurement of data. I'm trying to get as many things as possible going in my favor before I hop into a trade. There are links to all of the MMT indicators in the description. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Anyone that's out there using code MonkeyMan at Lucid, Take Profit Trader, or Tradeify, thanks so much for your support. I wish you best of luck in your trading. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.